Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Be Programmer or Be Coder. That's our website. We are here in our YouTube channel and want to teach you Python with sololearn and Python for beginners. In the last video, we could end of the season one, and in this video, we want to start the season two in sololearn course. So I searched the sololearn.com in my browser and wait to loading completely this website in my browser and click on courses to go Python for beginners course. In the next course, we want to talk about strings. Strings are very important things in Python, so we start this lesson uh, of the definition of the strings. And in this lesson, we met strings in module 1, but now it's time to get better acquainted. So remember, we can create a string by entering text between two single or double quotation marks, like this. So we saw these items about the strings before now, but the delimiter like this used for a string doesn't affect how it behaves in any way. Let's continue. Fill in the blanks to output the string like this. Hi there. Okay, we just need to print here and complete this single quotation in the parentheses. Uh, Click on continue to the next part, and everything in quotes is a string, even numbers. Okay, so when you put something in between of two double quotations or two single quotations, all of them are a string, even of numbers, signs, or anything. If you want to use that signs, use that numbers in their type, you should do something that we seen them in the future. So in the code above, 42 is a string, not an integer, okay? Because it's between two double quotation. So select the options that respond to a string. This one is string, this one is string, but these two are integers. Backslash. In Python, the backslash is a special character called the escape character. It is used to reference certain things in string, such as a new line, tabs, and other useful things. Tab continue to learn more about escaping. Okay, which of the following is the escape character? The backslash. And if you want to include code in a string, you need to escape it using a backslash. Okay, so if we want to use these codes like this that are used in here in your string, you should use the backslash before them, because if we don't use this like this, the other codes uh, do some errors and problems in our string. So, however, you see in here, we use a backslash before this code and use backslash before this single quote in here and here. But these two quotes in the start and end of this text and string are different with this codes that are using in here. Okay, so if you run this code, we see this output like this: brains mother, he's not an angel, he is a very native. Okay, so we use backslash before these codes to create these words like this. Come back to our lesson and click to continue. Complete the code to output a string containing a single code. Okay, if you want to print a string and contain single code, we should put the backslash sign in before the single quote like this. So you can do the same for double quotes. We also can do this way or this thing before double quotes, and we could put this backslash before double quotes in our codes. So fill in the blanks to escape the double quotes. Yes, we should. We just need to keep this backslash before this double quote in here. We need to go practice if we want or not. You can click on continue and answer this question. Which of the following is a valid string? Okay, it's not a valid because it doesn't have two double quotation. This one is not a string because it doesn't have the same double quotations, because this one is single and this one is double, and this one is a string and this one is not. Why? Okay, we have an start and end double quotations in my string, but we use a double quotation here that we didn't use backslash before them. Okay, so it makes error in our string and we don't have a real string in here. Click on continue to complete this lesson. Okay guys, we success to complete lesson 7, and every things about strings. We are learn more about that, and in the next lesson and next video we go to learn more about special characters in strings. Thank you guys. Please like this video and follow and subscribe our channel in YouTube. Thank you. Goodbye.